Have you ever been in a situation where you felt that spark with a woman, but you weren't quite sure if she felt the same way? You don't want to make the wrong move and risk rejection or ruining a friendship. Well, the reality is women aren't always direct about expressing their romantic interest. They tend to communicate interest through subtle body language and behaviors. If you can learn to pick up on the right signals, you'll know when she wants you to escalate things romantically. Today, we're uncovering the often missed signs and signals a woman sends when she's hoping you'll make a move. Once you know what to look for, you can approach with confidence and good timing instead of wondering if you missed your window. Part 1. Her nonverbal cues. 1. Eye contact. Prolonged, meaningful eye contact is one of the biggest giveaways that a woman is interested in more than friendship. If she holds your gaze, plays with her hair, or looks at your mouth while you talk, those are signs she's mentally undressing you. 2. Proximity. A woman interested in you will tend to position herself closer to you, finding excuses to enter your personal space bubble. She'll brush your arm accidentally, stand or sit next to you unnecessarily. Getting physically closer is an unconscious way of testing boundaries. 3. Positive body language. Is her body oriented towards you? Is she using open, inviting posture and positioning instead of being blocked off with arms crossed? These are approving body signals she wants to engage with you more intimately. 4. Grooming gestures. If a woman is fixing her appearance around you, reapplying lip gloss, adjusting her top, tossing her hair, it's a preening behavior triggered by her attraction. She's subconsciously trying to look her best for you. 5. Flushed cheeks or giddiness. When a woman is excited by feelings of attraction, she may blush, giggle more than usual, or seem a bit giddy around you. A flushed, giddy vibe signals those butterfly feelings. If you're picking up on a cluster of these nonverbal cues from a woman, it's likely she wants you to know she's interested and open to you making a move towards romance. 6. Lip biting and licking. This subconscious habit, when attracted, draws your eye to her lips, hinting at an unspoken desire for physical intimacy. 7. Exposed neck. A woman may expose the vulnerable neck area by sweeping her hair over one shoulder when attracted, presenting this erogenous zone. 8. Clothing adjustment. Does she repeatedly smooth her clothes, adjust her bra strap, or breast area? It's an unconscious preening behavior when aroused. 9. Feet pointing inwards. If her torso and feet are pointed inwards towards you, she's subconsciously aligned in an open, receptive body position. Part 2. Her verbal and behavioral clues. 1. Playful teasing. If a woman feels a mutual attraction, she'll often engage in flirtatious banter and jokes to get your attention. Some light teasing from her is a sure sign she wants to create that playful, sexual tension. 2. Asking personal questions. When a woman starts probing about your relationship status, dating preferences, or intentions, it signals she's looking to discover if you're an eligible romantic prospect. 3. Bringing up hypothetical scenarios. Listen for when she makes jokes about hypothetical romantic situations involving you two as a couple. This is her way of gauging your interest. 4. Suggesting spending more time. If she keeps finding reasons or excuses for you two to hang out, even briefly, she's aiming to increase quality FaceTime with you beyond the established boundaries of the current situation. 5. Showing curiosity about your interests. Her asking lots of questions to learn more about your hobbies, goals, and values is a method of seeing how compatible you two could be as a couple. She's evaluating your boyfriend potential. 6. Using your name and making strong eye contact. A woman will tend to say your name more frequently and make more intense eye contact when she's attracted as a way to make the interaction more intimate and personal. 7. Excessive compliments. If her compliments towards you seem overtly frequent or elaborate, she's subconsciously trying to boost your perception of her romantic interest. 8. Getting physically closer. Does she inch closer when talking, play with her hair while facing you, or find excuses for incidental body contact? These proximity behaviors invite a more intimate connection. 9. Looking for an excuse to linger. After seeming like she's leaving, does she stick around struggling to end the conversation? She's waiting for you to pick up on her interest. By combining multiple verbal and behavioral cues with those strong nonverbal signals of interest, you'll get an undeniable green light that she wants you to initiate an escalation towards dating or a romantic relationship. The key thing to remember is that any one of these behaviors alone isn't a definite sign of romantic interest. But if you're noticing several of these verbal and nonverbal signals clustered together, that's a woman letting you know she's ready for you to escalate things to the next level if you're interested as well. By learning to decode these subtle cues, you'll be able to read her interest level accurately and make a move at just the right moment when you know she's receptive. No more missed opportunities or wondering what if. With confidence and awareness, you'll maximize your chances of a successful romance. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to After School Psychology for more interesting videos.